Hey, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Jasmy video update. Today we're looking at some movements down from Bitcoin as well, and it's going to basically affect what Jasmy is doing at the moment. And let's talk about this one without wasting any further time. So I'm going to remove the demand box this time, and I'm going to remove some of the drawings right there. In fact, let's just remove everything. So I'm just going to go to the drawing section here, scroll to the right, remove the drawings, and that's it. Right, so if you ever wonder how to remove your drawings in one tap. Okay, so the chart is cleared up and it's on the daily now, and I've been talking about this triangle and a technical target down of that triangle to 0.38 something. So that's where I'm looking at the price is going down to. However, there's one thing I want to show you, and that is a small little bit of a divergence here, which is a good sign. So you do have lower lows right there, and you're making higher lows right here. So that's a little bit of a bullish divergence, and we could get a little bit of a pump and then could maybe continue lower. But one thing is that I'm looking forward to is if Jasmy on the RSI can make it to this one main support, and that is going to be this right over here. Okay, so this is the place where the real support really is, and if you do come down here, I think that's an amazing entry, and you pop down, that will be an amazing, really amazing entry. So the reason of removing the demand box is that I want to dive into the 4-hour time frame now. And as I spoke before, that you got the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder right there. I'm going to bring in the neckline, and you are losing a neckline here. So basically this is where you didn't want to see Jasmy going below. So I can actually say that you had this one touch, second touch, one, third one right there, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and this is finally where you have broken out of that flag. So I do expect a little bit of a pump back up here for the retest, get rejected here, and then push down. However, if you ever see Jasmy trying to come back up again and closing above this level, I've stated this in so many videos, then you do have good chances of continuing to climb to the upside. So be very careful, and let's see where the technical target is going to be. I'm just stating my own personal thought about it, because this is a clear distribution and a clear head and shoulders. So if you just want to say no, then I think someone is going to be ignorant for this one. The emotions is going to be playing out, and you have a technical target down to 0.002643. So that's going to be a dump of nearly, if I take the measurement tool here, we're talking about a move down to 41% or 40% to the downside. Now, I'm not surprised, because some altcoins are looking to go down there actually, and it's not only Jasmy that has a 40%, but I see so many altcoins. However, Bitcoin, I don't know about Bitcoin, how much Bitcoin wants to go down, but the CME gap of Bitcoin near $20,000 as well. Okay, so if Bitcoin actually ever makes it to 20K, who knows, we can actually have a very big dump to the downside. We also have some technical targets that are pending from the weekly time frame, which is actually down at these levels as well. So let's see what happens in the market. Wishing you best of luck for Jasmy, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love this.